everybody, and welcome back to my survival series, I should say. I'm going to be joined by Harry. We are currently building a house, and we got diamonds in that episode. If you didn't see that, go check it out. So we got 11 diamonds. I made a diamond pickaxe myself. Harry has a diamond sword. We're going to make an enchantment table, and then I can have 4 diamonds left. All done. I do not have any torches, actually.
Can you go get some?
Can I go get some? I think I can. One second, I'm just sorting out the view. Okay. Right. I need to get some food, actually, because I am nearly out of hunger. Well, not really, but I need some type of food, otherwise I'm going to kind of starve. Got some pork chops, you eat this. I've got 12 levels, which is good, which is quite good. I'm going to get back down to that cave soon and get some obsidian. That'll be quite good. Right, I'm going to go and get the beds, Harry, from the old house. Wherever the old house exactly is. I haven't really introduced myself. Well, this is we haven't actually named it yet. I probably will name it. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but yeah. Where's the house? The old house. Oh, here we go. Right, I'm getting all the stuff from the old house. Right, as iron cooked, we've got a little bit of iron cooked. I think I can just take this iron and we can just mine this. I won't use my diamond pickaxe. Take this, then I'll take everything from the chest. I've got a music disc as well, so it's quite useful. Buckets, that. I don't really want a wooden pickaxe. Are you actually recording? Are you actually recording?
I worked it out. We have one downstairs in the cupboard.
Are you actually recording? Harry?
Yeah.
Are you actually recording?
No.
You could record, but of course it would Oh, I need just right. Where's is it? Oh yeah, it's the big mountain. Oh, there you are, Harry.
Oh, no way.
Why do I have 3 crafting tables? It's just mad. How long we got? 3 minutes. Right, we recorded for 3 minutes, Harry. Right, I have a chest. I'm gonna place this chest down and put all the stuff in here. So, here.
What are you doing, Rio? Oh. No, my tablet. You got me.
Right. So is this the house? I think we need some torches in here. How do you have any torches? Because I think we need some torches in here.
Yeah, I'm trying. Do you have any torches?
There's some coal here. I'm gonna get it. You can get some if you want to. Have I got any wood? I guess I don't. Let's get some wood. Yeah, pretty much in this video we're going to be building a house. Just going to say here.
No, you can message her.
Just,
Don't rip it all, because I've got my password.
oh, some pork chops. I'm going to quickly do this, do that, do that, do that. Yeah, we're just going to be building the house in this video. That's all we're going to be doing.
1 sec, hon.
Okay, Harry's gone a bit of a spree here. Right, how long are you recording for? Because I don't want to do it over time. 5 minutes. Okay. Right. I need that wood. You don't really need the wood. Right. As Harry is gone for like a couple of minutes. Oh, Rio's online. Oh, I really need to turn notifications off. I did say that I was going to go into, and then I never did, and then it's just very confusing. It's a very confusing life when you're only a YouTuber. So. Yes. Am I invisible? I am as well, so will this blow up? Or... I don't think he will. I think he's after Harry. Thank you. There we go. Right. As I'm waiting, I guess we could do something. I think we need to turn crouch, and I'm going to turn game modes off because I don't want Rio to find out. I'm just save the game. I've done a lot, so save the game. How long have we been recording for? 6 minutes.
Where are you, Harley?
I don't really know.
Where are you, Harley?
I don't know.
Harley?
Yes. Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm in a cave type thing.
Can you give me a map or something? So I don't have anything. I've got an arrow and that's it.
Okay, I'm coming towards you now.
Okay, thanks.
Are you in the jungle biome then? Well, you're just here. You're near the old house. Hello. Follow me. You can see over there. I don't think you can see over there. There's a bit of a light. That's where our house is going to be. And we are recording, Rio. You're in a video.
This is the rhythm of the night.
Yeah, this way, Rio. This way. Yeah, Rio's in a video. Yay. We've been recording for 7 minutes. Not down the cave. It's not down the cave. I'm just watching Rio now. Just trying to help him here. Did that zombie just drop a leather cap? Oh, never mind. I'm just out of my mind, probably. Oh, okay. This way, zombie. This way, Rio. But how long are we going for? 8 minutes. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to stop in a minute. Up here, Rio. Up here. Up here. Run! There's a spider after you. Run! I'll come help you. Thank you. This is our little place. Oh, Harry's down there. I was wondering what he was doing. Please do not. Well, you can take a little bit of the iron, but don't take loads of it. Yeah, take 2 pieces. That's good. Okay, he's just making himself an iron sword. I'm keeping these on me. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. I actually have an iron sword, but I'm not using it. I'm just going to use it until my stone sword runs out, and then I'm going to use my iron sword. Right, I need a new stone pickaxe. Okay, we've been recording for like 9 minutes now, Harry, so we're going to have to end it in a minute. Harry?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we've been recording for like 9 minutes, so I'm going to quickly go to a safe area to say goodbye.
Oh, he's killing me. Just kill him.
And, yeah. So, right, I think that's going to be the end of this video, Rio. I think that's going to be the end of this video here. I do hope you enjoyed.
No, wait, one's there with.
And, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye! He will kill you. I'm telling you. Bye.